Hey guys, today I want to just tell you and speak with you about this is your life, and it's been waiting for you to discover it. Up until now, you may have been thinking and saying that life is hard and a struggle. And so by doing so, the law of attraction will let you have experienced life as hard and a struggle. Begin right now to shout to the universe, life is so easy, life is so good, all things come to me easily and quickly. I know this is a short video, I'm sorry, but it's going to be a busy day and maybe tomorrow will be a longer one. I want to say please like, subscribe, and share. I just want to put out there for you guys to be blessed. God bless you all. Have a fantastic day. And do something special for yourself while you're out there doing something special for another person. Even if it's a smile, even if it's a hug, it matters. It matters. So many hurting people out there, they need a hug. They need a smile. You can change somebody's day. God bless you all. Have a fantastic day.